Jai Hind, I'm Vedana Singh and you are most welcome on my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to do the complete answer of the exercise materials around us. This video is for class 6 for science student. So first type of question is MCQ questions are here. So the first question is choose the correct option. Question is what is the main reason for grouping materials? Among these options, that is to understand their uses. This is the main reason for grouping materials. Now the next question is, we group the materials to know the how they can be used. So I try to give some added something extra to this answer. And the next is which of these an example of natural materials? That is the wood is a natural materials because wood comes from trees or it is a natural resources. The next is why are metals commonly used for making utensils? It is because they are shiny and strong. Because metals are good looking and do not break easily. So the next type question is what is the primary characteristics of glass that makes it useful for window? Means that is the transparency is a main reason because glass is clear and we can see through it. So the next is which material is waterproof and used for raincoat? That is the rubber. Among these options, rubber do not let water pass through and so it keeps us dry. Now the next question is, next type question that is fill in the blanks. Metals like coppers are used in electrical wiring due to high conductivity. Next is wood is a hard materials and is used for furniture. Next is rubber is a elastic and can regain its shape after stretching. The next is plastic materials are often used because they are lightweight and long lasting. Next is glass is a transparent and allows light to pass through. The next type of question is that is true false questions are here. So the first statements are all materials can conduct electricity. No, that is the false. The next is plastics is biodegradable and environmental friendly. No, plastic is cannot be biodegradable. Next is wood is an insulator and does not conduct electricity. Yes, this is true. This is an insulator. It does not conduct electricity. Next is transparent materials allow light to pass through it. Yes, this is the transparent. Now the metals are brittle and break easily. False. The next type of question is define the following terms. The terms are here and we have to give the proper definition. The first term is materials. A substance used to make things, that is materials. Transparency, the ability of materials to let light pass through, that is the transparency. And conductors, a material that allows electricity or heat to pass through it, that is conductor. Next is flexibility, means the ability to bend without breaking, that is the flexibility. Next is waterproof, a material that does not let water pass through, that is called waterproof. Next is match the column. The first here, this is a column A and column B. In the here metal and column B, I have written the correct answer. So the first is metals. The C is would be the correct because good conductor of heat. Now the next is rubber, means this elastics and stretchy, that is the A option is the correct. Now the wood, the natural and sturdy, that is the E is the correct option. The next is plastics, that is the lightweight and durable, that is D is the correct option. The next is glass, that is the transparent material, that is the B is the correct answer. The next type of question is give the reason for the following statements. Means reasons, you have to give the proper reason for the statement. The first statement is metals are used for making electrical wires. The answer's reason is because they allow electricity to pass through. The next statement is plastic is used for water bottle and containers. It is because it is a light and does not break easily. The next is glass is ideal for making windows. It is because it is clear and light pass through it. The next is rubber is used for making tires. It is because it is a flexible and strong. The next is type of question is the wood is commonly used in furniture and construction. It is because it is strong and long lasting. The next is type question is that answer in brief, means questions are here given here and we have to give the brief answer. The first question is why is grouping materials important? No, answer is grouping materials helps us to understand them better and choose the right material for specific uses. The next is what are the some uses of plastic in everyday life? The answer is plastic is used to make the bottles, bags, containers, toys and chairs. The next question is why is wood preferred for furniture? The answer is wood is strong, long last and looks nice, so it is good for making furnitures. Next question is explain the difference between transparent and opaque object. So answer is in transparent object light passes through it that like the glass. The next is opaque object means it does not allow the light to pass through it, that is wood. The next question is that is fifth number question is what does the electricity of rubber makes it useful? Now the answer is rubber can stretch and return to its original shape. This makes the useful for making wires, bats and globes. Now the next is that is the long type questions are here. So we have to give in answer in long. The first question is answer in long. The first question is describe the characteristics of commonly used materials. The answer is the commonly used materials like metal, plastic, wood and glass have the different properties. So let's the property of each one. First is metals are used shiny and conducts heat and electricity. Next is plastic is a light and waterproof. Next is wood is strong and natural. Next is glass is a transparent and smooth. Now the second number question is explain the importance of grouping materials with example. The answer is the grouping help us to understand and defines. Okay. Yeah. Sorry. For example, metals are used for wire, plastic for metal, and wood for furniture. Next type of question is how are metals and plastic different in their property and uses? The answers are the metals are strongly shiny and conduct electricity. They are used for tools and wires. Next is plastics are lightweight, waterproof and do not conduct electricity. They are used for bottle and toys. The next type of question is fourth number question. Question is discuss and why some materials are better suited for specific purposes. The answer is each material has a special properties. For example, rubber is good for tires. It is because it is lasting. Glass is good for windows because it is transparent. Next is we choose material based on what we need. The next and last question of the chapter is compare the characteristics of natural and synthetic materials. The answer is in natural materials comes from the nature like wood, cotton, rubbers, whereas synthetic materials are made by humans like plastic, nylon. Natural materials are eco-friendly or synthetic materials are more durable but not easy to remake or make. With this in Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.